Here we have the high-tech precision oil cleaning set, which contains everything you need to oil and clean and care for your instruments and bladed items like scissors, tweezers, or anything else that has a blade. The most important product in the kit is the Oilpen, which contains a silicone-based oil, perfect for oiling instruments, and you can dispense the oil via this little nib. In the kit you've also got the buffer and a tool for very fine items. The lid is tamper-proof, so it's great for storage.